Good day, I'm Stephen McHugh, and this is your JIS News for Thursday, January 12, 2023. The tourism sector is projected to earn over $4 billion by the end of the 2022-23 fiscal year. Portfolio Minister Edmund Bartlett says this is an indication of the strong economic rebound from the impact of the COVID-19 pandemic. Minister Bartlett made those comments during Tuesday's sitting of the House of Representatives.
We ended the year equaling the record-breaking earnings of tourism of $3.64 billion. And the fiscal year, which I'll report on when we make our budget presentation, is going to show a $4.2 billion earning in tourism, which will be $500 million more than 2019, which is the best year in our history.
Meanwhile, Minister Bartlett says the winter tourism figures for January to date shows a 463% increase over that for 2022 and a 29 percentage point growth over the 2019 period. Residents of St. James Southern are set to benefit from a $40 million road rehabilitation program. The initiative is scheduled to begin shortly and be completed by March of this year. It's part of a broader road repair program being undertaken by the Ministry of Economic Growth and Job Creation, whereby each member of Parliament is allocated $40 million. Minister of State in the Office of the Prime Minister and Member of Parliament for the area, Homer Davis, says works to be carried out includes resurfacing, patching of potholes, and the cleaning and repairing of drains. Minister Davis says priority attention will be given to roadways including Mucka to Niagara, Tangle River to Flamstead Gardens, Springfield to Barnett Bush, and Cambridge to Duckett's. Other areas set to benefit from the roadworks include Anchovy to Roehampton Square, Mafuta to Mount Horeb, Shortwood to Retrieve Bridge, Cottage Road to Springfield Primary School, Spring Gardens in Welcome Hall, and Montpelier to Cambridge. Still in Western Jamaica, construction of the Western Children and Adolescent Hospital in St. James is progressing well. That's the assessment given by Minister of Health and Wellness, Christopher Tufton, following a recent tour of the facility.
Significant progress made over the last 2 months. We have a third floor going up to a fourth, and the front section of the building, as you can see, is all framed up. And based on the team that is here, they are expecting by the end of March to go 3 floors to the front in keeping with the design, another floor on top, and a third building where the foundation will be in place, hopefully, to put the first floor also in place.
When completed, the state-of-the-art facility will ease the heavy demand on the Bustamante Hospital for Children in Kingston.
When it is all over, you will see the highest concentration of hospital beds anywhere in the Caribbean. You'll see more specialty, operating theaters, bed space, administrative support, and all the other critical things that are necessary to make for a modern hospital structure.
Ground was broken in October 2019 for the new 250-bed, 7th-floor Children's Hospital, which is being built on the compound of the Cornwall Regional Hospital. The $43 million facility is a gift from the government of the People's Republic of China. Children with special needs in and around Santa Cruz are on track to benefit from the establishment of a special education center. The undertaking is being facilitated through a partnership between the Ministry of Education and Youth and the Judicial Foundation, which was signed on Wednesday. The Santa Cruz Basic School will be renovated to accommodate 3 classrooms, principal and administrative offices, assessment room, kitchen, storeroom, bathrooms, and a ramp for wheelchair access. The ministry will provide furniture, staffing, additional sponsorship for an agricultural area on site, and any other items necessary for the project.
The education of our children is a collective responsibility, and we see it as such. The fact is that as a nation, we all benefit from the academic and social advancement of our children.
Senior Operations Manager at the Judicial Foundation, Jody Ann McFarlane, says the center will accommodate 62 students across 3 classrooms and 1 multipurpose area.
This project is also expected to impact 804 students with special needs who reside in the parish of St. Elizabeth and have been identified as students in need of special education, intervention, and support.
The Special Education Center will serve as a transitional program for students 6 to 16 years old with mild to severe intellectual and developmental disabilities. The agreement includes the establishment of a technical and vocational education and training TVET program to equip children to transition to the world of work. It will also provide training opportunities for parents and caregivers. And finally, Chief Justice Brian Sykes says specialized courses are being developed to upskill judicial education and create specialized judges. Chief Justice Sykes was speaking at the recent swearing-in ceremony for 7 judges to higher office. He says the selection of judges will soon include the criterion of a proven record of commitment to ongoing legal education.
This is what we are now doing with the Judicial Education Institute of Jamaica. We are now going into the business now of developing a core curriculum that will apply to all judicial officers, and then whether you're in a specialized area or not, then you have the courses that are tailored for the needs of the particular judicial officer.
And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Stephen McHugh. Thanks for watching.